Hi, everybody. My name is Nayama, and I'm going to be presenting my portfolio website for you. So, welcome to my portfolio. Here's the homepage, and through these two big icons, you can access my projects or access uh, my page about me. So, scrolling down, you can see like my three main projects here, where you can also access all of them through this button if you would like so. Scrolling down has like a short description, introduction, sorry, about me. And at the very bottom, like these three or these four icons, like shows the ways that you can reach me out through email, Instagram, LinkedIn, or YouTube. Here at the very bottom, like the footer, I put like a shortcut. However, I'm gonna access my whole projects for here. So here, my main page, I'm showing like six of my main projects. Most of them are pretty much done, but some of them are still in progress. Um, I'm going to start showing you the first one, the Hot Sauce Mascot. Sauce Mascot was a project where I designed six different characters um, for represent Hero Bombeiro, that is like a firefighter dog for a hot sauce brand. So I created like six different ones with a different vibe, with different personality. However, using the same palette of color and trying to represent the jalaca pepper that is the main ingredient of this hot sauce. So um, after creating that six characters, four different mascots were selected to be in a prototype. And so I made a prototype so the employee or the client could see like how I how my process of choosing the final version will work. And so they also could see like how the mascot, the label was going to look in a real life. So I created different labels and put it like with the different characters. Then here I show the final mascot version, how it looks like um, in the whole hot sauce label with with the primary colors as well. It's like because I think it is important, like show uh, to the customers or to the clients or to the employee how the brand identity will work. So the typography here, and at the very bottom, I put like a prototype of different angles of the hot sauce final version would look like. So now I'm gonna go back to projects and show my next one. The branding e-commerce, this is my most complex and most like extensive one. And here I show like how I created like a process of of creating a website design specifically for selling digital and painting art. So I started like establishing an overview and concept that includes defining the brand values, mission, and goals. And after taking all that in consideration, like I created like a brand identity containing the logo and and the typography, color palette, and the aesthetics of the brand. So here's the typography. Actually, I made this typography myself, and through a program that I forgot the name right now, but I'm gonna put in the credits. So here are the color palettes the color palette that I also was took from the actually designs and art that's going to be selling on this website. After that, I create a sitemap of how should be the website and the final version of how was going to look like a prototype. And here I talk about the brand. I show how was going to look the custom reviews and how you could reach out the website contact, return policy, and their Instagram. And the work's still in progress. I still have to add some more pages and how specifically how the user experience was going to work in this website. So I'm going to go back to projects. So next, the wine logo illustration is the same process of that I use it for creating the mascot. However, this one is for wine, of course. And I did for 3 different labels here. I mock up the 3 different labels on the bottles because they have like 3 different of wines. And I show you how the typography was going to look like and how the mascot would be represented too. And I did take in consideration the company values, the same process. And here are the primary colors and the typography. So let me go to showing you the other projects. The two first patterns, like I created 3 designs of patterns, three different ones. Like one is abstract, the another is geometric, and the other one is an actual illustration. So here has like this button where you can see for different uh, proportions, like how the pattern will look like in a, I don't know, it's like in a wall or in a small object. And here I made like a short description of what the what is about the the illustration, and here like some versions of the how what's going to look like in real life. It's like I mock up them in different products with different sizes and different um in different environments. This one is like more focused in decoration, for example. And this pattern here like features a modern design with a clean and symmetrical shapes that is also more common in furniture, and so that's why I put it here too, like in the pillows, carpet, and in the bed. And for last, like this illustration of the actual illustration of these cats, like showing how they're gonna look like in a in different perspectives too, like a big um, single illustration or the the pattern. Here has a button too, like arrows that you can navigate easier through the designs. So now the next project, market the graphics. So I did some designs of advertisement of different products. This one features clothing. This one features the wine bottles, and all this can be used like as a social media post or a banner or a poster. These are like posters or um, social media advertisement that I did for a company that I used to work for, and this is also features a design of advertisement too. And the work also is still in progress. Would you like to detail more about it? But that's it so far. Um, so next and last project is the icons collection that is still in progress too. These icons, like I created first for using on my website with my style and with my vibrant colors. That is my main characteristic of design. And however, I do have a bigger collection that I would like here to put it here, but this is what I have for a while, and I need to put some more information about it. But that's it. So I just presented to you all my projects, my main ones, and going to the about page that I'm gonna access from here. This looks more cute. Here is my about page where I show a short introduction about myself and how you can contact me too. Down here, I put my resume and where I show my skills and my contact information, my experience, and more skills too for each place that I work in the last couple years. And down here has like my three main social media where you can reach me out anytime too. So this was the presentation of my portfolio. I hope that you enjoy it. If you're curious how I made this website, I first prototyped it through um, Figma, that is like a software where you can prototype websites, logos, anything that you can imagine, like in the graphic design field. And it's an awesome software. And I prototyped it here first, and then I gave all this information to a software engineer, and he could code the website for me exactly how I wanted. And I'm pretty sure that some of you already know about Figma. Is a free software that I think is very valuable, and it has paid version too. But I don't know, just letting you know that that is awesome, and you can create stuff for there too. And that's it. I hope that you enjoy my presentation. Sorry for some language mistakes, but that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.